for St. Patrick's Day. Say hi. Are you ready to go to school and show everybody your cute outfit? Yeah? Are you? Look how cute she looks. Look at how cute she looks. Are you going to say something for the camera? Say happy St. Patrick's Day, everybody. Look how cute I am. Look how cute I am. Say happy St. Patrick's Day, Mommy. That's my girl. Give me a big smile. Can you smile real big for Mommy? Smile real big for Mommy. Come on. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Not your silly smile. There it is. There she is. There's my pretty girl. Her first St. Patrick's Day. Are you going to wave? You going to wave? Wave to Mommy. Wave to Mommy. You getting ready to go to school? Let me take you to school now? Yeah? Are you going to play at school? Are you going to be good for your teachers? Yeah. You going to let that little boy pull your ponytail out of your hair? Don't let him do that to you again. You tell him no. Yes, a good girl. Okay. Let me take you to school now, sweetie. Say bye-bye. That's my girl. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, baby. Bye-bye.